Hello everyone. In previous lecture, I taught you to construct a triangle given its base, a base angle and sum of other two sides are given. Now today we are going to learn to construct a triangle given its base, a base angle and the difference of the other two sides. The question is second question. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 8. BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Then angle B is of 45 degree and AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, here what is given here? AB minus AC is given. AB minus AC, that means AB is greater than AC. Keep it in mind. Okay. Now, first step. What is first step? Draw segment BC. Draw BC. Do with me. Is of 8 centimeter. BC is of 8 centimeter. BC. Now, angle B is of 45 degree. Means first draw the angle of 90 degree and bisect it. You will get the angle of 45. So, suppose B is center and draw the arc like this. Radius is same. And suppose P is a center and draw the arc of 60 and this one is of 120. This one is of 60 and this is 120. Bisect angle between them, you will get the angle of 90 degree. Okay, join this. Angle of 90 degree. No need to write. The sign shows the angle is of right angle. My construction was perfect, I think. Okay, now bisect this angle of 90 degree. We will get angle of 45 degree. Okay, join this. Then what is the next step of construction? First draw BC. Then B makes an angle of XB equal to the given angle. I extend this. Suppose this is X. Next, XBC. This is our angle XBC, which is equal to the given angle B is of 45 degree. Now, what to do? Take distance BD, which is equal to AB minus AC equals to 3.5. So, take distance 3.5 in a compass or like this. Like this you can draw, or just take 3.5 distance in a compass and draw the curve. Okay, where they cut BX, that point is our D. Now join this DC. Join this DC. Okay, now bisect this DC by taking distance more than half of DC. Draw the arc to the both side of DC. Like this. Join this. Okay. Now extend this BX also. Like this, where they cross, that is our point A. Join this A and C. This is our required triangle ABC. Okay, what are the steps then? First draw BC, then next is cut the line segment BD is equal to AB minus AC. Okay, on BX. From BX. Okay, next is what? Then take, what is? Next is join DC. Next step is join DC. Then bisect DC. Okay, bisect DC. Let the intersect BX and what is this? Bisector, side bisect, perpendicular bisector of DC at point A. Join this A and C. You will get the required triangle ABC. Okay, now AD equals to AC. AD equals to AC. Why? Why? Because it's a bisector, perpendicular bisector. Therefore, here AD is equal to AC. AD is equal to AC. Therefore, what? AD is equal to AC. Why? The point A lies on the perpendicular bisector of DC. Therefore, AD is equal to AC. Now, BD is equal to, what is? AB minus AD. BD is equal to AB minus AD. And AD is equal to AC. Therefore, BD is equal to AB minus AC. Understood? This is the second construction. Okay? Understood? Thank you.